Hi guys, and welcome to this guide video. I will show with you through this guide step by step how to find Intesa San Paulo big Swift big code. So guys, go to this wise/Swift codes, this website. From here search for country, write Italian country, and then guys click for this Swift, choose the bank here. This is the bank guys, Intesa San Paulo, and then click this option city. It is just option from here, choose any city you have a bank, and then this is the Swift codes bank. Just guys click copy this code, and then you will get this Swift code. If you want to search again, just write the country as I say, and then write this keyword, write Italian keyword guys. This is a bank of keyword, Intesa bank for example. This is one, and choose your city, and then click your check. You can see here this is the Swift codes. I hope guys this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video.